Hello, this is Wes, and you are watching the Pure Hopper Indicator installation video. This video is to explain how to install and run the Pure Hopper Indicator. You'll notice after you've placed this on the chart that it is a little bit different as far as the properties go from the one that we sent out for free. This one just has a couple more options, and we fixed a problem with the colors. Sometimes the arrows will come out black or the dots will come out black, but that's no longer an issue. So we're going to actually start assuming that you have already downloaded the purehopper.zip folder. And the first thing we're going to do is show you how to unzip the folder. The default Windows extraction program is going to be just fine for this. If you have another program for unzipping files, occasionally they will overwrite this function, and they will make it so that you have to go through some other settings in order to do it. So if you don't see extract all when you right click on the file, then that means you may have another unzipping software already in place. So in any case, you need to either extract or unzip the file. And I'm just going to extract because it means the same thing. Alright, so once you click on extract, it's going to let you browse for another folder or another destination for it. I always just pick where it's already at. And then I also want it to show extracted files when complete. So we're going to press extract. Now, as you can see, we were just here where the purehopper.zip file is, and then it opened up this one right here. This is just a regular folder. It's no longer zipped. And all you should see in here is purehopper.ex4. You do not need purehopper.mq4. You'll see that on my screen here momentarily. That is only, I repeat, that is only source code. Has nothing to do with the execution of the indicator itself. So all you should see is purehopper.ex4. Alright, so now you've taken a moment to internalize all of that information. We're going to move on to actually how to put it on your platform. First thing you need to do is actually make sure that your platform is closed. I'm going to do that now. Now we want to open up my computer, and I already have something opened up here. I'm going to stretch these across and just put it like this. So that way we have the indicator over here, and we have what we're doing over here. So to do this, you'll want to open up computer, and you can do that from going to the start button down here, and go to computer. And I'm already here. And you want to go to your C drive. Once you've gone to your C drive, most people will put the MetaTrader 4 program into program files. But occasionally, you'll see that MetaTrader 4 ends up in your C drive. Most of the time, like 99% of the time, 99.99% of the time, it's going to be in program files. So we're going to program files, and we're going to search for our version of MetaTrader. Mine is Awanda MetaTrader. Click on Experts. And this Experts file is where automated trading robots go. This will be covered in the next video on how to use the Pure Hopper Trader. But right now we're doing the indicators. We're going to go to the indicators folder. Now, as you can see, I already have the Pure Hopper in here, so I'm actually going to delete those because I don't need them. And I am going to take this, drag it in, and drop it, and press continue. There it is, Pure Hopper. Now it comes time to open up your platform after you have that in there. Alright, so now that my platform is open, I want to go to the Navigator. My favorite place is the Navigator. If you prefer to use something else, like insert indicators, and I'll bring up a chart here just so that we can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so if you prefer to go to Insert, Indicators, Custom, and then pick it out from this list, that's fine. I like to use the navigator though, and the navigator is this little button up here that is the gold folder / star button right here. And it turns the navigator on off. See it go. Cool. Okay, once it comes up, you'll want to go to custom indicators. Again, once the navigator comes up, you go to custom indicators because this Pure Hopper is an indicator. And then all we're going to do is drag it over and drop it on the chart. And you can see the fast MA, slow MA, signal MA. That's all Hopper settings. And the next part, you'll see above 0 and below 0. This is just set how far away from the 0 line the price will be to set blue dots, telling you that the Pure Hopper is getting kind of close. Then you've got your mail alert, pop-up alert, sound alert, and smartphone alerts. The mail alert will send an email or text message, depending on whether or not you have anything set in tools, options, and mail. Pop-up alert will simply bring up a pop-up alert. Makes sense? Sound alert will just play a sound. And smartphone notifications are used with Apple devices such as your iPhone or iPad. And it also works with Android-based devices such as your Android-based Samsung smartphone or your, your Samsung Android tablet PC. As you can probably tell, I don't use much Android, so I probably got the names all wrong, but we're going to go ahead and add this indicator anyways. I'm just going to press OK. Now, if you'd like to see what's going on, you can always just add the MACD. 12,215. And we're going to press OK. Mine comes up kind of weird because this is how I set it, because I like looking at it this way. And now, as you can see, the Pure Hopper showed up whenever it was 0.0001 away from the zero line. So, if we want to get a better look at this and maybe more of a signal for a 1 hour chart as to when it's coming, we can change this. So we're going to change to 0.005. We're going to change this to negative 0.005. Well, actually, always make sure you add in the 0. It always has to be negative 0.005. I'm going to press OK. So now, I already have these lines set to 0.005 and negative 0.005. You can see that the blue dots are showing up much more often. Yay. So here are 3 blue dots because there were 3 times when the MACD was below the 0.005 line. And then it goes below that line here. And it just continually goes until finally, red arrow, that's when it crossed 0. Easy enough. All right. That has been the installation and usage of the Pure Hopper indicator. One last change that we have made is that there are now red arrows for sell and green arrows for buy. That's the last thing that you should note about the new and improved Pure Hopper indicator. Have a great day.